Hey, welcome back all you e-bikers. Yep, out for some more upgrades. I'm still on that upgrade train, so we're gonna do 3 specific upgrades to the Iconic One bike. I'm gonna show you how to change out the controller from the black and white one I said I was having trouble reading to a nice color display, which is very easy to read. And then number 3, I'm gonna show you how to change out the seat post to a suspension seat post. I had the same suspension seat post on my Abington Adventure. Loved it, really saved me and a lot of, even on the smooth trails. So if you have any questions regarding that, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you out. You know, before anybody sends any questions about me being indoors for the summer, just have to limit my sun exposure, but I am out here riding. I try to get out early in the morning. So I am out there, so my motto, get out there, I really do mean it. I do see a lot of older folks on the trails this morning. Get out there and enjoy the ride and enjoy the summer. This is the simple unboxing of the Bafang controller. Just take it out of the box. I'm replacing the Bafang DPC 240 with the color DPC 245 screen. It comes with all the items necessary to place it right on your bike. And it's generally plug and play. You have 2 color-coded connectors, one green, one purple. One goes to the controller and the other one goes to the switches to turn it on and off. If you're not sure exactly how it's supposed to look, just take a picture of your bike handle and the controller before you replace it, and just recreate the new one. Now let's power it up to see if we got power. Oh yeah, look at that, nice color screen. Now let's do the satisfying thing. So this controller features a walk mode, you can turn it off, has an eco mode, a touring mode, sport mode, sport plus, and booster mode. Can't wait to try those out. The last upgrade today is the Suntour SR SP12 NCX seat post suspension seat. I also purchased the extra larger spring due to the 200-pound weight limit Suntour says is on this particular spring that it came with. This particular diameter of seat post is 31.6. Make sure you have the right size before ordering, as yours could be different. Just unscrew your seat from the old post and put on the new one. What's nice about this is that the screws are on the side and it's easily adjustable, where you can tilt it and tighten it and move it backwards and forwards. After putting it back onto the post, make sure that it is level, and you're going to need to do some adjustments here. So this part is fairly easy also. You're going to unscrew the bottom adjustment part with a 6mm wrench. This is going to be a 6mm hex wrench. I'll have an Amazon link in the description if you need one. Simply take out the string, but remember there's 2 plastic ends that you want to make sure they face the right way when you put it back in. They hold the spring in place. Okay, to lube it up with your favorite oil and put it back in. It's going to be the Suntour Hard NCX Spring PKE 100-20 model is what I found on Amazon. Again, the link is in the description. I'm going to put all your weight on it at this point and make sure it doesn't go more than 15% while you're sitting. That's what they suggest, but you can read the manual to get further instructions. So after upgrading these items, I found they were well worth the money. The Amazon links are in the description. and I am an Amazon affiliate, so I appreciate you going through and helping out the channel. It doesn't cost you any more, so I will catch you next time. Thank you for watching the Marvel of E-Bikes, and as always, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Talk to you later.